If you've ever asked, how did everyone know about this project before me? Then this video is your answer. Some projects don't pump because they are better, they pump because everyone is talking about them. Smart traders track attention, not charts. Chart tells you what already happened, but Mindshare tells you what is about to happen. In this video, I'll show you how to track crypto Mindshare and spot projects gaining traction early before the hype turns into price. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. What is Mindshare? In the crypto space, Mindshare refers to the level of attention, discussion, and influence a project garners within the community. It is often measured through social mentions, engagement metrics, sentiment analysis, and narrative momentum. It is a key indicator of a project visibility and potential growth. Tools like Kaito, Cookie.fun, Lunar Crush, Sentiment, and so on makes tracking Mindshare accessible by aggregating data from social platforms, forums, on-chain activities, and more. In this video, we're using Kaito and Cookie.fun for our analysis. Now, how can you get started? Open your browser, visit yaps.kaito.ai. This is the PrettyGE Mindshare Arena. PrettyGE means projects that haven't launched their token yet. This is exactly where you want to position early for potential airdrops or big post-launch gains. The leaderboard ranks projects by Mindshare percentage, which is basically how much of total conversation in the PrettyGE space each project is capturing right now. The percentage shows its share of all PrettyGE discussions. Base has 9.59% Mindshare, Toric has 7.44% Mindshare, Polymarket has 6.87% Mindshare. Now these are the top 3 projects by Mindshare percentage. The little wave graph underneath shows the trend over the selected period of time. The time filter is set to 24 hours by default. You can switch to 48 hours, 7 days or 30 days. You can use 24 hours or 48 hours to catch short-term pumps from announcements or viral trends, and 7 or 30 days to see which projects have sustained growing mindshare. These are often the safer long-term bets. Top gainers shows projects with the biggest mindshare increases. These are the ones pumping right now. It is perfect for spotting momentum early. You can see Base gained over 481 BPS over the past 24 hours and 269 BPS over 7 days. BPS means basis points. Now, top losers shows fading projects. This is useful to know what is losing steam so you don't waste your time on it. Now, how do you actually use this to track mindshare? Start with top gainers tab on 24 hours or 48 hours. Look for projects jumping multiple ranks with strong upward waves. You can switch to 7 days view to check if that same project is still green and climbing. This filters out 1 day pumps. Now tap on any project card to open its detailed view. You can see the token mindshare over 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, and so on. Now, if a project is rising here and it has an active testnet, point system, or upcoming milestone, that is a high conviction early entry. Consider contributing meaningfully to position for rewards. Kaito PrettyGE Arena is completely free and it is one of the sharpest tools for early stage alphas. Bookmark it, check it daily, and stay ahead of the crowd. Now let's head to Cookie.fun. Cookie.fun is also a powerful real-time analysis platform that tracks crypto mindshare across all crypto sectors. Mindshare on Cookie.fun measures a project's share of attention on X. Global sentiment at the top indicates the overall crypto market mood on X. Project Tracked shows the total number of crypto projects the platform actively monitors and analyzes in real time. Market events are recent news snippets with mindshare impact. Good sentiment focuses on projects with positive buzz, while bad sentiment focuses on negative buzz. At the bottom, we have top mindshare gainers in the last 24 hours. This comprises of both launched and PrettyGE projects. Right below it, we have the mindshare leaderboard. This is the core global ranking of projects by current overall mindshare. Bitcoin has the highest mindshare, followed by Solana, Ethereum, Zama, and so on. Now you can use the search bar at the top to search for any token. Let's search for a token. Let's search for Zama. Now you can see the mindshare in the last 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, and so on. You can see the sentiment chart and the top voices at the bottom. Top voices are co-hosts pushing it. You can check their posts to see narrative quality. So that's how to track crypto project mindshare. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more educative crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments which BTG project you are watching right now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.